and read line without parameter. Now the another one code is read all lines. Now here there is no change. Everything is same. Only just opening the file and reading. Not only read, I'm reading read lines. Here S is there. It means reading all the lines in form of list. That's important. Here reading line in form of string without parameter, but here without parameter read lines in form of string, means whole line, whatever is written inside the text file which is separated by /n will be taken from the text file and will be stored into text as a list. Okay, now see how it is being taken as a list. I'm just calling read all lines, and instead of using this, I'm just using this and just run it. Now see, yeah, this is the two lines which is taken from the file in form of list. First I entered this and added with the /n. Second time I entered this and added with /n, and next time I just pressed enter. That's why there is no character, only enter. So the return key is there, /n new line character is there. So the whole thing is being taken from the file in form of list. That is the difference. In case of read line without s, read line, I'm taking that Python will take whole line one by one in form of string, but in case of lines they will take lines in form of list. And what if I want to take one by one line in form of list? We have to use here read lines. It is not line, it is lines. Read lines and passing one parameter. One is means one line at a time in form of string. Sorry, in form of list. Read lines in form of string. So that one is only the one. It means not key if you can enter 2, 3, 4, 5, not like that, because only one line can be taken from at a time from the list or from the text file. You cannot put here 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So one is only the parameter, either null parameter, nothing parameter, no parameter, or one as a parameter. So I'm just passing one as a parameter and now I'm calling this this. And if you want to see how many lines you want to take from the user, print, you can take data from the user and pass with the help of loop. So if your loop will run, number of lines time what you are passing here, one by one line that has been taken from the file. So that is simple. So I'm just calling this one here, and I'm passing, because I entered only 2 lines, so I'm just passing only 2 lines here. Even though you can pass more, because that there will no effect, because only 2 lines are there. So I'm just reading by parameter 2. It means I'm just calling this function with the parameter 2. It means 2 times this loop will run, and 2 times this read line function will run, reading one line at a time, and will print it on the screen. Let's see. Yeah, this is the 2 lines. First line in form of list, second line in form of list. That is because of these 2 lines is being taken from the text file because of the for loop. Okay. And what if I'm not passing any parameter? Or okay, let it be first. What if I'm passing here 5? Nothing will happen, because only 2 lines are there. So it will print only 2 lines, and the one data is with the null /n, and the rest is with null character. So there is no meaning to print out these 3 lines. So you can stop by checking loop also. So if the user is entering more than the line, you can check in the function and stop the printing further. Okay, no issue. Now my question was, if you want to take only one line, so not need to write this as a parameter, not need to write this, only just put like this, just put like this, and just print. So it will read only one line. So one line, the first one line, this one, the first one line. So what is basically happening inside the data, inside the file, whenever you are opening any file in form of write mode or in form of read mode. So whenever you are opening a file, your program counter after reading or after writing, your program counter moving forward like this. My cursor is just a program counter who is moving forward. So if it is moving one by one line, so first time read one line and your program counter is here, /n, now program counter will be kept here. And the next time it will read one line and this whole line, and your program counter will be the next line, /n is here because that is non-visible character, non-printable character, so that will your program counter will be here. So this is the way to reading. And the same case if you are using read line 5, what the previous code we used, this one read line 5, and it was printing 5 characters. Then what will happening, it will read first 5 characters like this here. Now your program counter is here. After reading or after writing, your program counter moving forward. While opening a file, your program counter will be put at the 0 index, means that is starting of the file, 0 coordinate, and then after it moving 5 here, and after reading the 5, next time it read again 5 here, the next time it read again 5 here. After that there is /n, the non-printable character, so test is 4 and /n is 5. Next time again 5 here, and next time again 5 here, like that. It is 5 5 5 taking like that. So your program counter is always moving forward. That's why the difference is whenever you are using W plus for reading and writing, and there is some difference we'll discuss later on. So these are the way to read single line, read some bytes from the line, read multiple lines, read one by one lines in form of string, and writing multiple lines into the file. So that's all for today. We'll discuss next time how the use plus sign with the opening mode. Thank you. Goodbye.